Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Xampp step by step. Xampp is a free and easy to use software package that allows you to run Apache, MySQL and PHP on your computer for your local web development. First, open your web browser and go to the official Xampp website at apachefriends.org. On the home page, scroll down and download the Xampp version of your operating system. In this tutorial, I am using Windows. Once download is complete, open the installer file. If you see a security or a user account control warning, simply yes to continue. The Xampp setup wizard will open now. Click Next to begin the installation process. You will be asked to select the components you want to install. By default, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHP MyAdmin are selected. These are essentials, so you can leave the default options and click Next. Next, choose the installation folder. The default location is recommended, so click Next to continue. Now click Next again to start the installation. The setup process may take a few minutes, so please wait while Xampp is being installed. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to open the Xampp control panel. In the control panel, click Start next to Apache and MySQL. When both services turn green, it means they are running successfully. To confirm that Xampp is working correctly, open your web browser and type localhost in the address bar. If the Xampp welcome page appears, the installation was successful. And that's it. You have successfully installed Xampp on your computer and you are now ready to start developing and testing website locally. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.